Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be making a few boards. Later this weekend, me and my fiance are going to be out in Santa Cruz, California, so I decided to get at least a board or two set up before I go on my trip, so that way I can get some nice product pictures and basically try out a couple spots that I have in mind with some of these new setups. So right now, got my heat press all set up and ready to go. Have some boards lined up. I won't be going too much into the process of putting all of these together, but I will be going through one of them, showing the process and all that. I also have a package here from Exodus Ride Shop. I have a couple fingerboard wheels in here, so we will also be doing an unboxing alongside with making one of these boards. All right, well, let's get all into that right now. Alright, now that we have the board all nice and made, graphics applied and everything, gotta say that emerald looks super sick on this board. Alright, so with this board I'm gonna be doing the Joy Indies. These were on a previous set that I've already had. Broke them in the way I like them already, so going to be using those. And then now we are going to get into the unboxing. So yeah, I got this at Exodus Ride Shop. A couple sets of pyros in here, so can't wait to get right into that. All right, so in the box here we have their stickers, Exodus. So yeah, these are pretty sick. And so here we have them. So I got a couple sets of the green and the pink spiral Piro wheels. Got them in the tan color. So these are gonna look sick. So yeah, the main one I'm gonna be setting up will be the green with the emerald deck. So that's gonna be a nice colorway with the indies. And for the pink Piro wheels, I have the dark version of the as above so below graphic on a purple deck. So I thought, the pink and the purple would be a nice colorway also, so that way when I go out of town I'll have a nice matching setup, so I can do some pretty sick tricks with both of these boards. All right, so now that I got both of these right here, let's get them both set up. Now that I have the wheels all out of the package already, now it's time to sticker up the board with all of the products that I use and throw on a little bit of Black Cat grip. I have the 0.7mm skinny tape, so we'll get right into that. And I do like to have all my boards with a specific type of sticker palette, so just like most of my boards, I always have like a sticker right over here and so on and so forth. So, all right, so now we'll get into the stickers real quick and let's get right into that. is the board all set up. Looks really nice with the Indy trucks, Piro Wheels. Yeah, this looks like a nice setup. All right, now all that's left to do is the first trick test. So let's see what it's got. Little sketch. It's a little sketchy, but I'll take it. There we go. Nice. All right, like and subscribe, and if you like what you see here, just click the notification bell so you won't miss any one of them. All right, catch you guys later.